Hi. We got a lot of inquiry regarding discounts on purchase order. Many of our customer or a customer who are using Odoo and are willing to use Odoo, they call us for the customization that they want to mention the discount in the purchase order. First of all, I don't understand. If you are running a business, you should know discounting is for your customer. So that is what Odoo offer. Even all ERP offer the same thing. You can give discount to your customer. There is an option either in product sales order line or throughout the sales order. You can apply discount on the sales order. When you are buying something from your vendor, they will offer discount to you. So they will mention discount on their sales order. On your purchase order, you actually enter the amount after the discount and you will issue the purchase order to your vendor. In short, you don't require this feature at all. This is not a feature. This is not a business at all. So what you will do, you will issue a purchase order with the amount after the discount, and for proof like what discount they have given to you, you can simply scan or attach